To enable or disable Extreme Battery Saver on Google Pixel 9a, first of all we need to go to Settings. Once you go to Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Battery. Choose Battery Saver. And then over here we have Extreme Battery Saver, of course we need to select it. And then we can also go to the setting of Extreme Battery Saver in order to choose apps that will be added to the Essential apps. And Essential apps are the apps that will be working during Extreme Battery Saver. So let's say as an example, I'm gonna include this game over here because why not? Now let's go back. In order to start using Extreme Battery Saver, we can just enable Battery Saver since it is selected here. So let's turn it on. And there we go. Now if you go back, as you can see, most of the apps are actually disabled, except for these Essential apps. And that's about it. If you want to turn it off, then of course we need to go back to the battery save and turn it off. You can also turn it on or off by using quick settings over here. So if you set up the Extreme in the settings, then here with this button you can turn it on or off as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!